Samsung's premium S series has always offered stunning design, excellent camera quality, and high-performance processors. These true flagships from Samsung undoubtedly provide the best smartphone user experience, and that is why their vogue never seems to end. Moreover, as Samsung's Note series is in doubt, S series is more likely to be the major priority right now. As for the fact, we heard some interesting leaks and rumors about the possible features of the Galaxy S22. So here in this video, we will try to inform you about the upgrades that might be included in the upcoming Galaxy S22. Ice Universe shared a tweet where he claimed that according to the most reliable sources, Samsung is going to collaborate with Olympus, a genuine camera company that can upgrade Samsung's camera even more. With the Galaxy S21 Ultra, they have used their own camera hardware, showing extreme camera quality. This means that Samsung is capable enough to produce excellent cameras for their smartphones. But as most smartphone companies have now started to build their camera with other camera companies' sensor, such as Huawei with Leica and OnePlus with Hasselblad, Samsung also seems to step up their camera performance to get an edge over the competition. So the Galaxy S22 might feature an outstanding camera, improving the picture quality, joining with the famous camera company Olympus. With this massive camera improvement, the Galaxy S22 is expected to film 8K at 60 FPS and take a step further into the future. The phone might also offer better image stabilization technology so that you can shoot videos with more accuracy. Min-Gu Kim, the Executive Vice President of SoC Development in Samsung Electronics, announced that their first Exynos chipset will feature ARM V9, a newly structured chipset. According to ARM, it's 30% faster than its previous predecessor, the V8. So Samsung is likely to get a massive improvement in performance as well with this new processor. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra with their famous stylus pen compatibility. Though the S21 Ultra was also S Pen compatible, it did not have a dedicated pen slot in the smartphone. So there's a high possibility of S22 having a S Pen slot along with the new design. This will make the S22 even more popular to the consumers, as taking notes or doodling will become more fun and convenient. Along with the camera, Samsung needs to improve its display section as well. Though Samsung already offers one of the best AMOLED display, the Galaxy S22 should provide a display with a higher resolution and higher refresh rate than its previous predecessor, the S21 Ultra. The battery capacity of the S21 Ultra wasn't much impressive, and we would highly expect the Galaxy S22 to come up with a larger battery capacity and also a fast charger like most other smartphones are offering nowadays. All that we shared are only rumors and yet to be confirmed. But if all these features come with the Galaxy S22, it would undoubtedly be a smartphone worth buying. These were some leaks we knew about the Samsung Galaxy S22. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.